Hello and welcome to Looking Forward to Math. Today we're going to take a look at identifying fractions of wholes. So let's say we have this square and it represents our whole. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3 parts shaded. So what we're going to do is we're going to identify the fraction of the shaded part. So what fraction is shaded? And now there are a few important words here. Fraction. A fraction needs to have a top and a bottom. It needs to have a numerator, which tells you how many parts are being used. And it needs to have a denominator, the total number of parts. If a question asks for a fraction and you just say 3, that is not a fraction. Remember, it needs to have that top and bottom number separated by that fraction bar. So if I want to take a look at this whole right here, and I want to identify the fraction that is shaded, I'm going to first draw my fraction bar. That helps remind me that I need that top and bottom number. I like to start with the denominator, the total. So if I look at my whole, I want to see how many equal parts this whole is partitioned into or broken up into. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 equal parts in this whole. So my denominator is going to be 4. That means my whole is broken up into fourths. That is the fractional name. So I have 1/4 here, 1/4. These all represent 1/4. Now my numerator is asking me for the part that is shaded. That's our other important word here, because sometimes it won't ask you for shaded. Sometimes it will ask you for the part that is not shaded, or how many fractions, how many equal parts did somebody eat or use. So you want to pay attention to that part of the question. So this one says shaded. So I'm going to look and see how many are colored in. I have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So my numerator is going to be 3. So the fraction that represents the shaded part of this whole is 3/4. Let's try another one. So let's say I have this circle. This circle is going to represent my whole. I'm going to try my best here to make it as equal as possible, because equal is very important with fractions. And I'm going to shade in. So not super equal, definitely could have done a little bit better. All right, again, I am looking for what fraction is shaded. So remember, since it asks for the fraction, I'm going to need that fraction bar, because I know I need a numerator and denominator. I, again, like to start with the denominator. You can do either or, whatever works best for you. So I'm going to count how many total equal parts there are in this circle hole here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my denominator is going to be 6. The fractional name for the 6 is sixths. So I'm going to label these 1/6 and 1/6. There are 6 1/6 to make up this whole. So now the next part is asking me for shaded. So I'm going to look at those colored in parts. I have 1/6, 2/6. So 2/6 is shaded. I hope that you found this useful and helpful. If you want to become stronger and really find a love for math, be sure to hit subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.